Hi guys, for today's video, we're going to make a homemade KFC or a Jollibee style chicken. So if you want to know how I make this, please continue watch my video. This is Helen More, and please don't forget to subscribe. Click the notification bell down to keep updated for more videos from me. Want to know how I make it? Let's go! So the ingredients, we need chicken. This is one whole chicken. I cut them into pieces. So this is 8 pieces of chicken. We also need all-purpose flour. We also need some cornstarch, 3 eggs, and cooking oil. For the spices, we need salt, black pepper, chicken spices, paprika powder, and a little bit of curry powder. So first step, in a large mixing bowl, you're going to put our chicken. We're going to marinate the chicken for 30 minutes. Then we put all the spices. Black pepper, and some salt. Then we're going to add the 2 eggs. Then this time we're going to mix it by using our hands. Mix it properly with the egg. So now I have already mixed it. So we're going to cover it and leave it for 30 minutes. So I have already covered it. So we'll wait until 30 minutes. So the all-purpose flour, we're going to put a little bit of salt and a little bit of black pepper. Then we're going to mix it. This is our final coating for our chicken to become more crispy. So in the other bowl, we're going to put the egg. Then we're going to add a little bit of salt. Then we're going to mix. So after 30 minutes, we're going to remove the cover. And this time, we're going to put the cornstarch. Not too much, only some. Okay, then we're going to mix the cornstarch with it. That's it. And this time we're going to put an egg one by one. So we're going to get 1 piece of chicken. Then we put it here in our egg. Okay. Then we put it on our all-purpose flour. have to cover it all so that it will be more crispy. Then we set aside here. Then it's ready to be fried. So now I have already coated all of the chicken. So let's start to cook. So an empty pan, you put it on fire. Then we're going to add a cooking oil. We're going to wait until it will get hot. So now it's hot. We're going to fry our chicken. The fire should be in a medium heat. So this time we're going to remove chicken from the cooking oil. So this will be the second batch. This is the first batch. So when the second batch is finished, we're going to fry this first batch again. So now we're going to remove our second batch of cooking of the chicken. This time, the first batch, we're going to fry them again. This will be the last fry. So in the last fry, you have to be careful. You have to look your chicken so that it won't get born and you will get the perfect crispy chicken at all. So this time our first batch is done. See? Very nice. So the last one, we're going to put the second batch. So word for today, patience is very important to make your work perfect. So the last box is here. So we'll wait for a while, then we can serve. So now the last batch is done. We're going to serve it. Last but not the least, our French fries. That's it. So thank you guys for watching, and hope you enjoy my recipe. So let's go and eat. By the way, shout out to the Martins, to Tashankus, to Magoy Abata, to Summer Page TV, to Juna TV, and to all my friends. Shout out to everyone, to Kate the Bunny also. Shout out, and thank you guys for watching. Bye bye, and God bless us all.